this company is the first company to make real clothing with integrated electromechanical muscles.
We can really add value to people's lives in the fact that we can help them maintain their movement.
The flex drives within our clothing have electric motors that act like additional muscles to your body and help you with any movement that you're having trouble with or can't quite do yourself.
So at Seismic, we're not just thinking about one product, but we're thinking about an entire new category called powered clothing. And that includes the initial wellness product, but also products for medical and industrial applications. The important thing about powered clothing is that it is balanced integration of electromechanical and apparel design.
The suit that we're developing has sensors on it, and the sensors track how your body is moving, and it's also tracking how the suit is assisting you. Over time, the suit is learning more and more about this person, and it's becoming a symbiotic relationship where the user and the suit are working together.
So we know from the movement of the body, the power and the timing and the motion that goes into making that movement. Based on that information, we can program the flex drives in the suit to provide that same motion and to match that extra boost of power when you need it.
So we have a user-centered design approach, and what that means is we have real-life users in-house every day. They help us refine our product and really add value to it.
There's no way we could create this product without this incredibly unique team. Data scientists, biomechanic experts, apparel designers. Clothing itself is a uniquely human artifact that has held both functional and ceremonial value for a millennium. The function of our apparel is to give our consumers back a true independence, a sense of dignity, a confidence